Hello, I'm Philip Jamieson. I want to talk to you a minute about your rights if you're ever charged with driving under the influence. Now, the first thing I would tell you, and anybody would tell you, is driving under the influence is very, very dangerous and you should never do it. However, if you ever find yourself in that position, you're stopped for suspicion of driving under the influence, the first thing the officer is going to ask you to do is step out of the vehicle, and you must meet this request. The second thing he's going to do is ask you to submit the field sobriety test. Field sobriety tests are intended to demonstrate to the public that you do not have sufficient motor skills to operate a motor vehicle. Now, whether this officer tells you or not, you're being videotaped and audio taped when you're stopped. You do not have to submit to field sobriety tests. These field sobriety tests will certainly come back up at your trial, and they'll be used as evidence against you. There are no negative consequences for not submitting to field sobriety tests. So understand your rights in regards to that. Now, once an officer has made a determination to arrest you, he will take you to a place where he'll submit you to a breathalyzer exam. If you are requested to take a breathalyzer exam, you have a decision to make. If you fail to take the breathalyzer exam as requested, your license will be suspended. However, if you take the breath test and you are legally intoxicated, this will come into evidence against you at your trial. So you need to think about the consequences of that and make the proper decision. Again, you should never drink and drive, but you should also know your rights if you're put in that position.